Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime and set my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16. Then I'm gonna use the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Car Beauty Bailey vs. Kaylee eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the other two shades and put those on my lids right next to each other. If you love makeup tutorials like this, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything. I post new shorts every Monday and full tutorials every Friday. And if you enjoy this look, don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps my channel grow, and I truly appreciate your support. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pour and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using the ABH setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Beverly Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the setting powder again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. Next, I'm using the Morphe Hue Fork Silk Blush in Touch. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the Morphe Plumping Lip Gloss in Big Bang Glow. To set my face, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of this look. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my new shorts every Monday and new tutorials every Friday. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.